60 seconds for 10 shots. 60 seconds for 10 shots. Everybody know where their target is. Shooters, stand by. Engage! Targets are going to be, there's 4 targets. You got Charlie at 367, Delta at 425, it's the 45% IPSC. There's some smaller targets to the right, like mini IPSC targets in a square, that's not it. You're shooting at the 45% IPSC. Fox, it's 66% IPSC at 615. And then at Hotel, there's a 66% IPSC at 908. Alright, start position 5 feet behind the rifle, mag in, bolt back, muzzle down. On command of fighter, shooter moves to the firing line, assumes prone position, engages all 4 targets near to far without dialing. Shooter ready. Good. Engage.
But it's hard to see the...
Oh.
And then on that last...
Impact! Impact! Impact!
Impact!
I tell you, these guys, you are going to need it. I figured I'm not going to get to the support side, so...
Why? Engage.
I was soaked when I left, you know? But it was definitely worthwhile.
We'll get it all done, right?
Oh man, I should have messed with my dial.
I did shoot enough bullets. Got spotters. Shooter ready. Stand by. Go. Impact. You responded to the wrong impact, Joe.
Huh?
You responded to the wrong impact. That was
Oh.
that was impact.
We were engaged in Texas Stars.
Son of
Impact. Go.
Yeah, I was reading that on,
148.
We got all new cards.
on the website.
And we're going to be buying more cards.
155. He's fired.
Yup.
Ready? Spotter up. Stand by. Engage.
I don't know. I just gotta put some of these kind of flags. Those are nice.
Impact. Good. Yep, impact.
Hey.
High about a
Problem is, the little one's spinning now.
Got the left edge, Joe. Still got time. Left target.
It looks left to right. It looks like it's from